Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Sheikh Wasim sir, an assistant teacher of Al Mahmud International School, Akuna. How are you, students? Hope you are well. And I hope you would solve this exercise. Yes, on page number 78. Yes, did you write which two lines are repeated 4 times in this poem? Yes, I hope you would written. The first line is he stamps his feet. Okay, you will write here he stamps. Okay, stamps, stamps. He stamps his foot and claps his hand. Okay, this line is repeated 4 times. Then second line, and turns around to view his land. Okay, second line is and turn around. Okay, turns, and turns around to view his land. Okay, this line is repeated 4 times. Okay, now one line is repeated 3 times. Write the line here. So which line is repeated 3 times? Yes, you can see in poem, stand erect and take his ease. Okay, so you will write there stand, stand erect, 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 stand erect, stands erect and take his ease. Okay, so you will solve this exercise. Okay, you have to solve this exercise. Got it? Now today we are going to learn lesson number 9. Okay, a caterpillar's voice. Got it? A caterpillar's voice. Learn the heading a cater, cater, pillar, caterpillar, caterpillar, apostrophe and s, caterpillar's voice, voice, voice means sound. Okay, आवाज, caterpillars means caterpillar की आवाज. Okay, so let's see, very interesting lesson is this. Okay, see, do you know what an echo is? Yes, do you know what an echo is? What is echo? Yes, echo means गूंज. Okay, a sound that bounces back is called an echo. जो आवाज़ किसी जगह, सख्त जगह पर टकरा कर वापस आती है उसे इको कहते हैं. ओके, क्या कहते हैं? इको कहते हैं इन उर्दू गूंज. आओ. ओके, सी, सो जनरली it is happen where, means is cave. Okay, in cave or the room which is closed from all sides. So here you can see, here's an explanation. Okay, what is echo? What is an echo? Here's an explanation. See, sounds are like rubber balls. Sounds are like rubber balls. Sound जो रबर बॉल के होते हैं. Do you know about rubber balls? Yes, every students know. See, when they strike means टकराना, something hard, they bounce back. जब कोई रबर बॉल किसी सख्त चीज़ से, मीन वॉल एंड पोल, ओके, डोर, सो इन चीज़ों जब टकराते हैं तो रबर बॉल्स क्या होता है? वापस हमारी तरफ आता है. ओके, इट रिटर्न्स बैक. सो अ साउंड that bounces back is called an echo. Okay, this is the definition of echo. A sound, एक ऐसी आवाज़, that bounces back is called an echo. Okay, echo sound यानी एक बार जब आवाज़ कही जाती है तो वो 2 और 3 मरतबा सुनाई देती है. ओके, उसे कहते हैं echo. Got it? A sound that bounces back. Repeat after me. A sound that bounces back is called an echo. Okay, if you are in large empty room or a large empty cave, try shouting. अगर आप किसी लार्ज बड़े एम्प्टी रूम में होते हो तो वहाँ पर आप ज़ोर से आवाज़ लगाइए तो आपको आपकी आवाज़ इको में दोबारा सुनाई देगी. ओके, द साउंड ऑफ योर वॉइस विल हिट द वॉल्स ऑफ द रूम और केव. ओके, आपकी आवाज़ रूम से और केव से टकराएंगी. एंड इट विल बाउंस बैक एंड रिटर्न टू यू. सो इट विल बाउंस बैक एंड रिटर्न टू यू. वो बाउंस होंगी दीवार से और आपकी तरफ रिटर्न होगी. So the sound that bounces back is called an echo. Got it? An echo can be very loud or very soft. इको साउंड क्या हो सकता है, बहुत ज़्यादा लाउड भी हो सकता है और सॉफ्ट भी हो सकता है, बहुत ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, कम भी हो सकता है. गॉट इट? सो व्हाट इज इको? Echo, a sound that bounces back is called a sound that bounces back is called an echo. Got it? So here we learn about a caterpillars and the hare's story. Okay, see how many of you a place been to a place where you heard your voice echo? Yes. Have you ever seen? Have you ever heard? I hope some students will be there who heard the echo sound. Yes. So see, today we will start this new lesson. What is the name of the lesson? Yes, a caterpillar's voice. What is the name of the lesson? A caterpillar's voice. Okay, a caterpillar's voice. Caterpillars जिसे हम अल्ली कहते हैं. ओके, वॉइस मीन्स आवाज़, कैटरपिलर की आवाज़. लेटर इट बिकम बटरफ्लाई. ओके, इसके बाद वो जब जैसे जैसे when it growth it become butterfly. Okay, see, so first I will read, then you have to repeat after me. What is the name of the lesson? Yes, a caterpillar's voice. Okay, caterpillar की आवाज़. See, repeat after me. Okay, once, first I will read, then you have to repeat after me. ONCE, once. UPON, upon. Once upon a time. TIME, time. Once upon a time. A CATER, cater. PILLAR, what stand? A caterpillar. A caterpillar. Okay, here you can see the picture of caterpillar. Okay, this is the caterpillar photo. Okay, caterpillar. Once upon a time, a caterpillar, CRAWLED, crawled means move forward with the body kept close to the ground, means जमीन के ऊपर रेंगते हुए चल. Okay, crawled. CRAWLED, it is a past form of crawl. Okay, crawl. CRAWLED, what stand? Crawled. Okay, INSID, inside. Crawled inside. A HARE apostrophe and S, hairs. Yes, hair mean an animal like a large rabbit, जो खरगोश की तरह दिखाई देता है, like a rabbit. Okay, hairs. Inside a hairs, HARE apostrophe and S, hairs. Yes, are you repeating? Repeat after me. Okay, hairs, HOUSE, house. A hare's house, in bracket WHICH, which was a CAVE, cave. Cave means, yes, natural underground tunnel. Tunnel means गुफा. Okay, सुरंग जिसे हम कहते हैं. So cave, गुफा. Which was a cave. WHEN, when. The HARE, hair. When the hair. WAS, was. AWAY, away. When the hair was away. Yes, are you repeating? Repeat after me. Okay, and try to learn how to read. Okay, away. When the hair RETURNED, returned. RETURNED, what stand? Return. When the hare returned. HOME, home. When the hare returned home, he saw. SAW, saw. NEW, new. He saw new. MARKS, marks. He saw new marks on the Ground. What is stand? Ground. He saw new marks on the ground. Going. Going into the cave. Going into the cave. Full stop. He called. Called. He called, comma, who, first stop and s. Whose mean who is. Okay. Whose in my house. Who is in my house? Who is in my house? He called, who is in my house? Next, the caterpillar, boomed. The caterpillar boomed, out. The caterpillar boomed out in a loud, voice. The caterpillar boomed out in a loud voice. It is I. It is I. Exclamation mark. I crush. 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 I crush. RHINOS. Rhinos. I crush rhinos. I crush rhinos. Here you can see this is the picture of rhinos. Okay. Short form of rhinoceros. Okay. Rhinoceros. I crush rhinos. Dash crush. CRUSH. Crush rhinos. I crush rhinos. Rhinos. To the earth. TO to the EARTH. Earth. To the earth. I crush rhinos. Crush rhinos. To the earth. And TRAMPLE. Trample. And trample. And trample. 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 Trample means yes, step heavily on someone or something. किसी को पैरों से दबाना, कुचलना. Okay. And trample elephants. And trample elephants. Elephants. Okay. Into the dust. Into the dust. Into the dust. Next. Yes. The hare hopped. So dear students, you have to read this lesson. Read this first paragraph, okay, 3 times. Got it? In next video we will read ahead of it. Got it? So what you have to do, you have to read this paragraph 3 times. Okay, first with spelling and second and third time you have to read it without spelling. Got it?